To make salted caramel fudge, grease an 8-inch by 8-inch, 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter pan with nonstick spray and line the bottom with parchment paper. Warm 14 ounces, 414 milliliters of sweetened condensed milk, 1 pound, 454 grams of chocolate chips, 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters of bourbon, 2 tablespoons, 30 milliliters of vanilla extract, and 4 tablespoons, 57 grams of unsalted butter in a double boiler over low heat. Stir the mixture constantly until the chocolate melts and all the ingredients are well combined. Pour the fudge into the parchment-lined pan and spread it out evenly with a spatula. Warm up 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters of dulce de leche in the microwave until it's melted enough to pour easily. Then drizzle it over the fudge. Top the fudge with a sprinkling of coarse sea salt. Then let it chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours. Slice your fudge into squares with a warm knife when you're ready to serve it.